My favorite season is upon us, guys, and that is alt season. Right now, the reason why we are pumping indeed is because USDT is being transferred around to exchanges, right? About 500 million USDT was transferred from Tether Treasury to Binance. What do you think they did with that money, guys? Obviously, buy Bitcoin, right? And hopefully they keep on doing this. 150 million USDC sent to Coinbase as well, right here, guys, right? So money's being or liquidity is flowing into cryptos right now, and this is massive, right? Because when it goes into Bitcoin, then it's going to trickle down to altcoins, and it seems like altcoin finally gets officially triggered next month, guys, during the month of December, right? Why? Because if Bitcoin can break above 100K, right, and start rallying higher and higher and higher, and then as soon as we see this indicator hit above 75, guys, it's go time, right? It's already moving higher, so this is the altcoin season index, right? And if 75% of the top 50 coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is alt season, right? So if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin, guys, over the past 90 days, it is altcoin season. Okay, so right now we are at 63. When we hit 75, guys, it's go time, right? Things are looking quite swell. Oh wow, look at this top 50 performance over the last season, 90 days. XLM is number 1. Really, right? That's insanity. I know XRP has to be up here. Look at that, XRP is right here, guys. Right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, XLM is absolutely going demonic. Insanity. But again, when XLM pumps, XRP does too. When XRP pumps, XLM does too, right? They're like they're like siblings. So it's guys, it's really beautiful, isn't it? Justin, seems like to me MetaMask is preparing. MetaMask users in the Nazi's can now buy crypto using Venmo. What? So here we go, guys. Wow. A new avenue, a new path just opened up. Buy with cash, right? This is wow. How would you select payment method, guys? How would you like to buy, right? Really? People can literally buy this way. Wait a minute, what? MetaMask users in the Nazi's can now buy crypto using Venmo. Wait, this is ridiculous, guys. Right? So an easier way to buy crypto. That's it. Again, more liquidity paths are being opened up, guys. Right? They're trying to just flood in as much as liquidity as possible. Since we are on the topic of MetaMask, which is connected to Ethereum, let's talk about Ethereum because it is the main altcoin right now. Right? Ethereum is following the same pattern Bitcoin did in 2020. Look at this. So check this out. We have a lot to talk about in today's video, and it seems like we're right there, guys. We're literally right there, right? So when it finally breaks through the multi-year trend line, many will regret doubting it. So this is Ethereum 2024. This was Bitcoin 2020, and it seems like there is a fractal being repeated. Okay, look at this, right? This type of movement. When Bitcoin finally broke above, we came back down and exploded. Right? Look at this. Is that going to happen, or are we just going to see an explosion? What I think will happen this time, guys, right? We know that history doesn't 100% repeat. Instead, it rhymes. I think Ethereum is about to break this level, right? Maybe retest it very slightly, but it's just going to rampage upward, right? Then the recession strikes in, so we go back down to retest this level, and we go higher, guys, right? Towards the year end of 2025. What do we think? But nevertheless, this tells us that an Ethereum explosion is incoming, guys, which suggests what? Alt season, right? No matter which path it may take. How do we know? Well, Ethereum ETF's net flows plus $145 million, as we can see, and then cumulative Ethereum ETF flows since inception equal $330 million. What does this show? Well, there is a clear trend shift taking place, money is being what? Flown into Ethereum through these ETFs. Which, well, look at this. You guys see how there are actually outflows, right? Just stable, like kind of dead, guys, right? But then inflows, right? Interesting. Seems like money's entering, finally, which suggests, once again, old season. X posts about Ethereum increase 282% in the past 3 days. Really now? I told you guys, I literally called the bottom on Ethereum. Did we not? Right? That's when I bought like a one or two Ethereum, guys. What was it, a week or something ago? I don't even remember. 2 weeks ago. At like 3,000. It was under 3,100, and now where's it at? 30, 36, 34, 3,500, guys. But I don't have it anymore because the ROI on ETH versus XRP, for example, XRP is still higher, right? So there's no point of me owning Ethereum, though it is much more safer in the eyes of other people, right? Which is fine. If Ethereum goes higher, every other altcoin will too. But once again, look at this. The traction on Ethereum is rising, right? The people who are searching about Ethereum and posting about Ethereum, guys, on X, right, on Twitter. So it's clear. The trend is clear. It's higher. We go. Liquidation alert. About $1 billion worth of Ethereum shorts will get liquidated if Ethereum hits $4,000. Short squeeze is coming. This is ridiculous. Who, guys? This isn't financial advice, but during an uptrend, why would you try shorting, right, and betting that the market is going down just for a few percentage points? Makes no sense when if the trend is clear, guys, right? Ethereum, pumps fast too, especially during all season. It's gonna go up 20% in a matter of a day, right? So there's no point of these short-term moves. Instead, if we look at the clear trend, that's where the big money is made, guys, right? And look at this, but people don't realize this because there's literally about $900 million worth of people thinking Ethereum will head lower, right? Well, I wish you guys the best of luck, but sacrifices need to be made for us to go higher. So let's talk about Ethereum's price target this cycle. This bullish flag might launch Ethereum up $6,000 a cycle, right? There's a clear pattern that says Ethereum is going to 6K, but can we see higher targets? This comes from I'm Crypto Wolf. He says that no matter how you look at the Ethereum chart, it's incredibly bullish. One way to view it is as a 3-year cup and handle pattern, with major resistance at $4,000. That once that's cleared, a measured move places it north of 15K. The most asymmetric bet you could make right now, guys. Wow, a cup and some sort of handle, which looks clear as day, doesn't it? Right. The pattern takes us to, wow, about 15K. Ridiculous. Insanity, right? And that's like with that's only the pattern, guys. What if it overshoots the pattern? Right, 25K end of cycle we're talking about, not today, not tomorrow. What I think is we'll see the 6K very soon, right? Probably during all season number 1, all season number 2. I want to see 7K ETH for all season number 1, all season number 2, end of next year. I want to see 15K ETH. Right, it's possible. If Ethereum does that, our coins will 100x. Right, it's simple. From Ash Crypto, Ethereum is going to 10 to 15K easily. This is the best time to hold. When is the best time to hold ETH? Historically, Ethereum performs best from January to April after the halving year. This means that the best time to accumulate Ethereum is during December. If you check the chart below, it will tell you that the Ethereum and altcoin dominance is telling the range of the altcoin season. Right? Look at that. Clear as day that December starts altcoin season, guys. The money will flow from Bitcoin down to Ethereum, then followed by large caps, medium caps, and then lastly meme coins. Make sure to plan your exit strategy, right? So when this all happens and it all finally comes into fruition, guys, I'm getting out, right? Because I know that it can't go up forever, though that's what a lot of people will believe at some point in time. for now, let's not worry about that because we're not there. But it's good to think ahead. Now, December of 2016, guys, we got December of 2020. Then we have December of 2024. This is for Ethereum, okay? Now, this is funny because Ethereum always started to rise when? From January to May, Jan to May, right? Even December and November, Ethereum is already pumping. Now imagine December, right? Seems like this is Ethereum's season, which says that it's altcoin season because this is others dominance chart, right? Excluding the top 10 if I'm not mistaken, which are the degenerate coins and stuff like that, guys. January exploded, right? Right after Ethereum exploded, guys, started exploding. Look at that. The past 2 cycles, okay? So it's clear as day that, hey, alt season is right around the corner, most likely starting in December, right, in the month of December. But when he was talking about this path to alt season. Bitcoin, the flow of money goes into Bitcoin, causing price surges. Then Ethereum, then supposedly XRP and other large caps, then hectic season, which is all the degenerate coins, the meme coins, and everything coin, guys, right? So to me, it seems clear as day, guys, that good times are on the horizon. Literally, lives will be changed like this, it seems as, right? But remember to take profits. It's never a bad idea to take profits, but we're not at that point. I don't think so. We're getting there, but not yet. Now, but nature vice. But it was so face me since. See ya.